Tired of wrestling with Apex code issues? Say hello to ApexGuru, the game changer. ApexGuru is here to transform your Salesforce development experience. With cutting-edge AI, it pinpoints critical anti-patterns and hotspots in your Apex code, providing actionable insights to supercharge your performance. And the best part? It's available at no extra cost to all Scale Center customers. Yes, ApexGuru is available in Hyperforce. Orgs with ApexGuru enabled before migration continue to have access to it after migration. With ApexGuru, we utilize breakthrough innovations in AI and ML to detect these anti-patterns in Apex code. And we also provide actionable recommendations on how to fix these issues. All of this is based on your org's runtime profiles, ensuring that ApexGuru recommendations are highly customized per org and very impactful. From identifying CPU time issues to SOQL query limits, ApexGuru's got your back. Powered by code gen models from Salesforce AI Research, it doesn't just find problems, it gives you the exact class, line of code, and the recommended fix. Simply navigate to Setup, search for Scale Center, and enable ApexGuru for your org. Insights roll in within 24 hours and keep coming weekly. So what are you waiting for? Transform your Salesforce development with ApexGuru today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your Cloud Developer channel. See you on the next one.